Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To my respectful panel, to Sir Kalimi Johan bin Abdul Hamid for becoming my supervisor, Engineer Dr. Safwan bin Wan Ahmad as Coordinator Final Project. My name is Nur Alam Shah bin Nordin Ahmad. Will present my final year project. As you can see, the topic is the highway rehabilitation method for damaged surface condition. Malaysia is a rapid development country, along with the sharp rise of the number of vehicles on the road, have resulted in pavement deterioration that is ongoing and must be dealt with by all road users. By applying the proper treatment to the right time to the right road, the impacts of the aging and continued traffic loads on pavement structure can be avoided. The exist from the first portion of the East Coast Road that went to the Kuantan city were the toll booths at Gambang, Kuantan and Jabu. For the purpose of this observation, however, only the location between Jabu and Kuantan was perfectly positioned for daily use and commercial vehicle to the reach client when were taken into account. To investigate the minimum requirement of pavement deterioration in order to conduct pavement rehabilitation is the objective one. To determine the suitable hot-mix asphalt rehabilitation method, open local condition and pavement distress type is the objective two. Purpose of study is to examine the cause of common pavement deterioration that occur on the phase 1 of the East Coast Road between Jabu and Kuantan. To, to repair the pavement damage on the road, and appropriate rehabilitation procedure will be used. Direct observations are made at the site. On the site, using a tape measurement, length, width, and the type of road damage is observed and report on the site observation form. According to the road pavement damage, it was classified based on observation. Relevant data is pushed into the chart. The following pie chart shows percentage of the road deterioration, type of damage, frequency, and percentage are stated. For percentage of road deterioration at Kuantan Jabu, type of damage, cracking, frequency, 11 location equal to 67% percentage on the top. Meanwhile, percentage of the road deterioration at Jabu Kuantan, type, frequency and percentage goes to cracking. Cracking frequency 13 location equal to 81%. In conclusion, we can note frequency of damage of Kuantan Jabu more than Jabu Kuantan Road in 2022. According to graph, it show the road of pavement deterioration by lane in 2022. Sulu lane is a core of road pavement deterioration between Kuantan Jabu and Jabu Kuantan. Road pavement deterioration on the site location and type observation, we can see here on the picture, it was pothole, cracking, rutting on the main line at Kuantan Jabu and Jabu Kuantan. For the objective number 2, determine the most appropriate hot-mix asphalt rehabilitation method based on the form of pavement distress present in the area. The Malaysian Highway Board, Lembaga Lebuh Raya Malaysia, and Aneh Berhad as concession holder of the East Coast Highway Phase 1, jointly appointed Institute Kerja Raya Malaysia (IKRAM) as a site assessment for forensic investigation and pavement failure. IKRAM Road Scanner (IRS) is used to collecting accurate time-stamped data and road pavement deterioration. Automatic crack detection (ACD) enable automatic reaction to detection of crack and other road surface features. With specialized equipment mobilized in determining the cause of pavement failure through comprehensive data collection and analysis before any effective solution to mitigate the issue at design stage rehabilitation method. Anil Berhad as concession come up with budget and design to tackle pavement distress as annual work program every year. Here we can see a typical structure for East Coast Expressway Phase 1. This is the proposal or method of pavement rehabilitation. There is three methods for pavement rehabilitation. For method 1 is mean 50 mm, pave 50 mm, ECWC 20. That's mean we mill, remove and paste at the wearing layer. Method number 2, mill and pave 125 mm AC28 and paste paste 27 mm AC28 and another layer pave 50 for ACWC 20. It was replacement of two layers wearing and binder. For the method 3, it will be removed or milling cut out of the road pavement duration. It was 205 millimeters, replaced by pave 80 dBm 40, paved by 75 millimeters AC 28 and paved 50 AC LWC 20. It was affected by three layers from the layer dBm 40 is from the dBm layer, binder layer, and the surface layer is wearing. Here we can see how the method of pavement elevation it was milling and paved based of the proposal by IKRAM, study by consultant and budget from the Anil Berhad as a concession. Conclusion. From the from this project, we can determine the sort of pavement distress at East Coast Expressway Phase 1 Kuantan Jabu and Jabu Kuantan. Typical of pavement deterioration are pothole, crack, and rutting was being observed at the site. It has been found that the main factor of pavement distress at location was by heavy commercial vehicle and water factor caused deterioration of pavement. The evaluate the method effectiveness of pavement elevation in method upon local condition and pavement distress type. How make asphalt rehabilitation method based on the local condition and the type of pavement disturbed is determined. The ground road scanner was to identify the damage strength and proposal of repair of the road pavement by method 1, method 2, and method 3. Finally, based on the finding of the study, it is therefore concluded that the objective of study has been achieved. Thank you.